In the heart of Minnesota, the Minnetonka Wetland Nature Preserve needed a new boardwalk, 1,600 feet of elevated walkway through a fragile ecosystem. The challenge? Build a stable, long-lasting foundation without vibration, spoils, or disturbing the wetlands. Traditional concrete or driven piles weren't an option. PierTech's helical pile system provided the answer. Using 230 helical piles, each 2 to 7/8 inches in diameter, with 8, 10, and 12-inch helices, our team installed paired foundations along the entire boardwalk. Each pile delivered 20 kip compression capacity, torqued to depth with a PierTech 12K drive head for precision and speed. The piles were installed to 20 feet deep, completely vibration-free, protecting the soil and habitat below. Once braced, the foundations supported the elevated boardwalk, allowing visitors to enjoy the preserve without harming the environment. For projects where speed, stability, and environmental care are non-negotiable, PierTech helical piles deliver. Learn more about our helical solutions at PierTech.com.